Okay, welcome to the review of the RBM HD cell phone. As you can see here, some of the normal features of most phones these days. To unlock it, merely drag it to the right hand side and you can unlock the device. And to lock it, push the power button that's at the top, but more on that just now. As you can see here, not too much branding, just the main background logo of Red Bull Mobile. One of the most nice features about this, of course, is application browsing through. Very default, very basic, perhaps not as smooth as its more expensive counterparts, but considering that this phone is for users that have just started out with Android or want a cheaper Android device, it's a very good device. Right, one of the features, of course, that's popular about these is the Red Bull Mobile Portal. And unfortunately, where I live, I can get HSDPA speeds on cell C, which is a lifesaver, so I can show you this much easier. As you can see on the Red Bull portal, you have news, events, heroes, which I'm not quite sure what that is, but let's look at Red Bull TV. If you click on the TV, you'll see you can choose some shows. It's nothing that anyone really knows. Nothing that seems to be very popular. Of course, if you do know this and I'm just wrong, apologize for that. For example, here we're going to try the Kleptomaniac Show 22. We can either choose high resolution or low resolution. I'll be trying the high resolution. Of course, and while it attempts to load the video. Basically, what's very nice, phone's extremely responsive, especially considering the processors on 800 megahertz. And what's also nice is, of course, not, as I said earlier, there isn't much operator branding done on the device, except for a few included game demos, wallpaper, and the bit of branding. They haven't dumbed it down and made it slow. As you can see here, of course, this isn't loading very well. I must be honest, earlier today when I tried to load this didn't work too well, so I'm not going to waste your time with something that isn't working right now. Turning the phone back, you can see it's pretty quick and smooth. So moving on from that, once again, looking at the web browser, it's a standard web browser that comes with Android 2.2 Froyo. Normal search, normal contacts, normal calls, various home screens. I see they've even included Mixit on that. Of course, for this we have tested by adding some other applications onto this. What else you also get here is RBM radio, which, truth be told, I haven't looked at this before now, so it is interesting to see what it is. Basically, as we can see here, some basic radio, all overseas stuff. We can live stream it, as this phone does not have a radio tuner built into it. Very interesting. This can tell me the live stream, I'm assuming, of Red Bull's own radio station. Red Bull apps, well, it's like a mini app store for a couple of Red Bull applications. Unfortunately, as you can see here, there's only 5 applications. It comes with 3 installed and 2 more additional. But of course, nothing special here. Fortunately, of course, you have the normal Android market where you can install hundreds of applications. Normal features such as your wallpaper, well, like most of these Android phones, it has live wallpapers. So here, just letting that load quickly, I can choose, let's choose the grass. And as you can see, it actually seems to load without issues. Also very nice here, just going through this a bit, the settings of the device, wireless networks, like for 2.2, nothing seems to have been locked out. Mobile networks, data enabled, network operators, you can put it just on 2G if you want to conserve battery life. Wi-Fi settings, you can obviously have turn on your Wi-Fi, you can put it onto airplane mode. Tethering, well, you can have USB tethering, which is basically you sharing your phone's mobile data connection with your laptop or any other mobile USB supported device. Basically, works quite well. Bluetooth as well, of course. In all honesty, this is a very basic 2.2 device. Nothing out of the ordinary, but it works very well. So if you are looking for a decent basic phone and with good contract details, or you just want something to be an extra phone, or it's your first Android phone, it's a very nice phone to start with.